Look at all those chickens. Today we are going on our boat again, and we are going to go in the bay, Tampa Bay to be specific, and we're gonna go fish some reefs, artificial reefs. Should be a good one. All right. We just arrived at the first spot. What are your pre-game assumptions?
We're gonna catch them all.
You're gonna catch them all. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay. We got for bait. We got some shrimps. Yeah. Hopefully those are gonna catch us all the fish that are in there. That wet stuff.
Mark the rock.
Yeah, we marked a bunch of rocks on the sonar here, and hopefully we're gonna get them.
Get on.
The rig I'm using is just a little number 2 J hook, 20-pound leader, and a 1/2 ounce sinker to a swivel on 20-pound braid. Tide's going out, so let's see if they start biting. Got it. Small. Sheepshead. There we go. First fish of the day, little sheepshead. It's a good sign. Oh, he just pooped it everywhere. If he can let go. Man, that was such small bites. It is so subtle, it's crazy. There it goes. Get back out there. But we're on all the rocks. Oh. Yeah. Got him. Feels like another small one. Another sheepshead.
It's slightly bigger.
Slightly. There we go. Fish number 2. Need to grow up a little bit, buddy. Cool. Get it. Nice one. Net. Nice sheepshead. There we go. There you go. This guy goes on the water rocks instead of water. What is it? Ooh. Sheepshead. Sheepshead. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Damien's got another one on. A little sheepshead.
Small.
Cool. That's a big one.
Oh, so much bigger. Looks like you're missing a couple teeth.
Look. Yep.
It's a boat.
Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh. Yep. Check it out. A little bug. Woo! Good one? Hmm? Good one? Another baby. There he goes again. Got him this time. Nope, another dinker. Dinks for days. That's a good one. Yep. Oh. It's not a good one. Nope. Another small one. Get it, get it. That's a good one. That's a good one. Woo. That's a keeper. Possibly. 13-incher. Nice. Feels decent. But it came off solid. Yeah. Big one. Big one. Oh, yeah. I have no idea. Can you get the net? No, it feels like a sheepshead. Yeah, it's a sheepshead. No, I don't need a net. Never mind. Woo! Nice. Nice fish for the box, and Damien's hooked up too. Looks like you got a decent one. He is a keeper. Another one for the box. What kind of juice? Orange juice? Apple juice? Fish juice. And I think I lost my bait. That's a good one. Damien has that whole grain organic freaking prime baby juice.
Baby juice.
Baby juice. There it is. Small one. Baby ones. Wish I had more bait on my hook. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Feels decent. I don't know. I don't know. It feels pretty good, but it's not. Yep. It's a baby one. Oh. Another toad. There we go. Oh. Oh. This one feels nice. I know. Jeez. This one feels good. I know, my leader's a little freighted.
What?
My leader's a little freighted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's a nice one. There you go. Alright, I think we're going to end the video here, folks. Today was pretty good. I think it was pretty good. We caught sheepshead, which is kind of what we were going for. Alright, if you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button while you're at it, because, you know, it's like right next to each other. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you next time.